Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Gillian. In today's video, I'm showing you guys how to make hemp milk right at home. It is fast, easy, delicious, and has so many nutrients. Many people don't realize hemp seeds are actually comparable in protein levels to that of beef and chicken, so it's a great plant-based alternative. Just in 3 tablespoons of hemp seeds, you have approximately 10 grams of protein, which is huge. Not only that, it has calcium, phosphorus, zinc, magnesium, so many nutrients, vitamin E. Overall, it's a great alternative to cow's milk as well, which is loaded with mucus and can cause inflammation as well. So let's get started. I love this. It is probably one of my favorite, if not my favorite, plant-based milk. I can't recommend it enough, and it only takes you 1 minute to make. I also like making things at home. It's so easy, and you know what you're getting. A lot of the plant-based milks at the store, even like the boxed ones and stuff, some of them last 2 years. So you have to think about the things that are placed into that to make it last for 2 years. So this will last 2 days, which is how food should be, and it has a much better effect on your body, and it's so much easier on digestion. Let's get started. I'll show you what you need. I have a Vitamix blender, but I used to actually make this in my NutriBullet, so if you don't have a Vitamix blender, you can probably make it in another blender just fine as well. I have my hemp seeds. I have 4 cups of filtered water, and then we have optional sweeteners. Technically for the milk, all you need is the hemp seeds and the water, but most people want to sweeten it a little bit. So for me, I use dates to sweeten it, and then you can also use optional vanilla extract or maple syrup or something like that. Okay, so this is so simple and easy. I really recommend it. There's so many things you can do with hemp milk. You can drink it by itself, put it on your cereals if you're a cereal eater, or in your smoothies, over your fruit, into your favorite beverage, anything. So it's so great. So we pour the 1 cup of hemp seeds into the blender. Then we will pour our 4 cups of filtered water. And if you want it even thicker, just use 3 cups of water, but I like to use 4 because I don't like it too thick, but it's still nice and creamy. And then you can use 1 to 2 pitted dates. And then optional vanilla extract. If you're going to use vanilla extract, use approximately half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here we have our hemp milk. It's absolutely amazing. I can't recommend it enough. So with hemp milk, you actually don't have to technically strain it or run it through a nut milk bag. A lot of people don't. I didn't used to, but lately, just to make sure you get out the little pieces, I just do run it through my nut milk bag, but you don't really have to. And I just want to say, when you make these plant-based milks in your blender, it does heat them up quite a bit. So right when they're done, they'll be pretty warm. And I know a lot of people prefer them cold when you drink a milk, so plant-based milk. So do let it sit in the fridge for a little while, or an alternate option is to add a little bit of ice to the blender. Not too much, you don't want to make a smoothie, but add a little bit of ice, just enough ice to cool it down. I'm going to put this in the fridge to cool it. So I will pour it right now in my milk jar. Look at that, it looks so good. It's so creamy. For me, it's perfect with 4 cups of water. I've tried it with less. Like I know some people use like 2 cups of water, but it's just way too thick and creamy for me. To me, the 4 cups makes it perfect. Here we have the beautiful plant-based hemp milk. I do just want to add with hemp seeds, what is great is they are high in healthy fats, omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. They are a complete protein source, which is great, so I can't recommend it enough. I hope you do try it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up right now, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.